They're crossing through here.
Huh?
There's somebody at the door for you.
What are you talking about?
There's somebody at the door. No, you don't have a gig.
What the heck? What's going on? Hey, what the heck?
Natalie, do that.
I don't think I can sing this anymore. Good morning.
That was so awesome.
Oh, you guys, come in.
That was amazing.
That's so wow.
That's awesome.
It must be super exciting, so we just wanted to say congratulations.
Oh my god.
That's so cool.
And
So nice,
also,
you guys.
we hope this fits.
Oh,
That is so cute.
oh.
So you can wear that.
Oh my gosh. That is
You don't even know how cool this is.
Then we got you a CD. This is the latest one. Natalie, where are you at?
You knew I'd be here. Oh, thanks.
What the heck?
So this is a little specialty you can take with you and wear too. It's a Cheating Daylight wristband that Kyle wore to like tons of shows. So they'll wear stuff and save them. And
Oh.
Actually, Kyle broke that in for her.
that's and you know what they do is like on the guitar strings, when they break strings, they cut the strings and save them, and then our merch department makes them into rings and bracelets.
I heard about that.
Yeah,
I
so
think you guys do that.
and stuff like that
What?
too.
This
So
is so cool. I'm so
there you
wearing
go.
this. It has like your sweat in it, man.
Guys, come in. Can you come in for a second?
Just for a minute. So you got some cool news too, right?
Yeah,
That's exciting.
That's insane.
really exciting.
Yeah.
You acted like you just won the lottery, and you're going to travel the world for the rest of your life. Which means that's great that you really are so into it and so completely entrenched in what you're doing and what the purpose is.
Well,
You just wait for that moment.
It's just, I feel like it's really meant to be because I've been there before, and like we went to like go to church one day when we were in Hong Kong, and it was actually canceled, and we were super bummed. We were like, let's just go anyways and just see like what's up. And there were like a ton of Filipino women that live there on Sundays because they're nannies and that's their only day off, and so they like basically live at the church. And like, so we kind of like said hi, and then they just completely befriended us. They're like singing hymns with us, and we're like best friends and everything. And we're like, well, we hope we'll see you again someday. Like, most likely we won't. And I'm like, I'm gonna serve a mission. They're like, maybe you'll come here. I'm like, yeah, maybe. Most likely that's not gonna happen, but
She
maybe.
used to say out of all the places in China, she would never want to go back to Hong Kong.
I know. Well, I mean, I said that before I met all the people, though.
Yeah,
When we
yeah,
were walking around, it was super busy, and like it was our first day. I was like, I would never want to go here. But after meeting the people, I was like, wow, I love them so much. I wish I could see them again.
So the Bennings.
Yeah.
Yeah, like John Benning, when he left, because we were friends since like 6th grade or something like that, or 7th grade, and so I never like saw that side of his life, like his, like religious anything really at school, because he doesn't talk really ever. but then like I get like I think he's almost done, but like I get forwarded his emails like all the time, and I got to email him once, which was sweet. But I just like it's like a totally different thing. Like you don't expect that, but then when you see that kind of like dedication to faith and all that, it's like it's amazing. It's awesome. from our point of view, it's like where we're headed as a band and as brothers and stuff. But it's also kind of like on a grand scale, just like an attitude towards life and just not really knowing where you're headed, but wherever you're going, it's gonna be awesome. Is kind of the idea. And so, Road to Somewhere. You're just, you're on a path, and you guys are both doing like crazy, awesome things. You're going to China and doing the Glenn Miller thing. So that's kind of like what this whole thing is about. Just we're all on a road somewhere, so it's just going to take us where it is.
If you look at the cover, it's amazing because you don't really
Yeah.
know where, but you keep going, and it's always really good.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Having faith that each turn you take.
That's so
Yeah.
cool.
All right, so this is Road to Somewhere.
And this was the song they just won Song of the Year for.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Where my heart takes me, I'll go, but I will always call this place home, and only time will tell or show if there's a road to somewhere. I'm on the road to somewhere. I'm on the road to somewhere. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
Where my heart takes me, I'll go, but I will always call this place home, and only time will tell or show if there's a road to somewhere. I'm on the road to somewhere. I'm on the road to somewhere. 1, 2, 3, hey! And I think it's time I let it out. The simple secrecy brings out the best in me.